Hello, this is my routine. My name is Natalia Arango. Monday, I get up and do some exercise. I go to work and then I go to college. Tuesday, I check emails. I go to skating class that I like very much, and then I come home to sleep. Wednesday, I have I have breaks with my friends. I meet my boss and I exercise. Tuesday, I get up, I take a bath, I go to work, and then my skating class. At night, I go to class and I come home. Friday, I have lunch at 12 o'clock and work eh, like to meet two friends. Saturday. I attend class in the morning, breakfast with my friends, and the afternoon go to the movies with my friends, with my friend, no, with my boyfriends. Saturday, I bate bate at 10 o'clock and like to play with my nephew. I make market with my mother.